money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, yo.
Sammy. 30! So we know the thunder will go fire the video for that song. Thunder will go fire. The thunder smear the talk now. The thunder the gym. They do press up. After press up, the thunder will enter God in school. Take on fire. 30. If you give me 30 billion, me go die. Why go die? That's not gonna be kill now. That's not be kill if you get 30 billion. Now 30,000 go to the key for road. Ah, hey, you don't die, yo. 30 billion. That's gonna fear you. You gonna give me 30 billion? Say my go carry a shower. Are they mad? 30 billion. I'll come go one hotel. Go they say, baby, come. I dey close me 30 billion. Come go they call a shower. I dey carry the full hotel put for my head. They go out.
Alaye, oya, I'm the king of a jegule. People when they happy if they see me there. You want the body good, oh, the body nice, oh, the boy will make us smile. The boy will make us happy. The boy will make us joy. Oya, she and down them food. Boys then they baby. Boys then they well. Everything we are with is day. But your boys are the day. You get your boys are the day. Boys are the day. I pull it back, shake and bang. First time boys at the mushi. I want to see you lady at the better. Maybe my first to say she now my name this go my phone. Maybe my first to say like she now my name this for keep your job. Give me water. Let us on the come on, let us on the come on. Give me water. I tire. Give me water. Let us on the come on, let us on the come on. Give me water. I tire. Many people living in fake life. I beg them stop this fake life. Lucky boys are the real Adam boys. I say I tell you. Many people wanna do like you. Yes, they wanna do like me. But they don't feel be like you, don't feel be like me, don't feel be like. Oh yeah, anything when you die, make you represent. You know me say you must be lucky. Anything when you die, make you represent. Oh la la. The boys are the shit. I got the boys are the the boys are the send me at the oh yeah, shout the boys are the Bariga boys are the Michael. Everybody. Eva boys are the Isashi boys are the everybody now. You got to my first to say like Kuya. She na woman being this go Michael. Kuya both friends. My first to say like when I do now my first to say like now forward ever, I'm backward never. Oh yeah, now forward ever, I'm backward never. If you forward, I'm gonna see you on the forward ever. Put yourself forward ever. Make some noise! DJ, you ready now? Let's go. I took two, I see. Some people know I see us frustration. But they want that for yourself. I'm the same voice. I say everybody gets some people they know I see us frustration. But they want that for yourself. They suffer. Then this year, when we don't enter, I say everybody gets frustration. Because I'm for whatever. You say? I'm for whatever. I tell you, I'm for whatever. One more time, for whatever. All people they just hopeless. The situation their life and darkness. I please myself personal progress. I brother peace for your success. They don't feel bring me. AJ for life, all AJ heroes, maximum respect. Yeah man, we represent it. Summer holiday, you want to go with me? We going to Ejedas at Table City. You like to go with me? Tell me what they love that you before. Tell me this going to be fun. Tell me what they love that you before. I tell you to your papa. Then you go get what I want. I said, then I walk where we go, then I walk where we go, so then I want to put a joke, then we go carry it at the house. And I'm in the point, my face. I'm in the point of stealing the boy, and I'm in the point, my face. Because your face is for my phone, so you wanna talk about the only one. I can't jump on the rock, the box, I can't jump on the only one. Come on, so everything is about my teaching. On point. Carry and go anywhere you like. Carry and go. Carry and go anywhere. And you get up. Are you ready now? Increase the speed. Increase the speed. Increase the speed. Reality again. Reality again. Who them for them see me them running? And I'm not saying they want to kill me and balling. Give them this phone, head of my face and losing. So they sound like a boy. I be saying kuya 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 kuya. They man them kuya 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 kuya. We tell them kuya 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 kuya. And they call it now kuya 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 kuya. Them a move, them a move up, them a move. When they see the man a come, them a move, them a move up, them a move. When they see the man a come, say, who them for them fixing them fooling? Who fool for them fixing them rolling? Rolling the people and the masses are crying. Oh, what a sinking! None of the way the government them go on. None of the way the politicians go on. None of the way the government them go on. None of the way the politicians. So they tell you say, every day for them headline news. The same news get me confused. Me tired with them men for abuse. I have been there to see them again abuse. They say kuya 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 kuya. The man them kuya 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 kuya. The girl them kuya 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 kuya. Everybody now kuya 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 kuya. Them a give up, them a win. When they see the man a come, them a go fun, them a go fun, them a go fun. When they see the man a come, say hey, say little show them, sell pure water. them looking in Ghana. Like the way my people is suffer. Government, them say me queen. Oh yeah, the way the government them go on. I like the way the politicians go on. I like the way the government them go on. I like the way the politicians say everything. They don't care about them next president. That's right, I'm a rampage. My country, them to damage. I say them to manage. Them say me big. Oh yeah, kuya. My government, kuya. My president, kuya. Oh, what a sentence. Don't like the way them government them go on. Don't like the way the politicians go on. Don't like the way the politicians go on. Don't like the way the government them. Hold on, select man, hold on.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Raymond King! I appreciate our
Yeah, good evening. Then call me Raymond King. Some call me Atlanta. Some call me Forward Ever. Anyone you call me, I did. Let me be Raymond. Raymond King. I'm going on stage.
Okay. 2 minutes from the.
Okay.
2 minutes with us.
All right.
Okay. Let's start by asking what brought you here.
Actually, today they are doing the opening of the swimming pool at New Planet, and I'm one of the performing artists to make the people happy. My work is to make people happy. I come here to make people happy. Yes.
So you promised to give your fans.
Today then die way. Yeah. I see then die way. I want to introduce one new song, Kuya Kuya. You know, because right now we are on Kuya Kuya movement. So I'm the voice of the voiceless. I speak for the voiceless. So right now today I'm going to be speaking the truth, reality. You understand?
Let's look at that Kuya Kuya. What does it mean?
Kuya Kuya is what I said, voice of the positive, bringing positive out of negative, bringing light where there's darkness. So that's Kuya Kuya.
And what are those?
Like for instance, now we pay for light, we don't see it. Normally, as a citizen, anywhere there's development, there should be good road from the government. You know, everything is just upside down. So many people knows it, nobody want to speak. So me, I'm the voice of the voiceless. I speak for them.
I think we are used to it. We already.
We can't be used to poverty. I reject that.
No, I mean the kind of government.
No, me, I'm not used to. Me, I'm not used to it. I'm not. That is why we don't want to say we need a revolution. Instead, let's use our music to speak. Like for me, I'm a musician. I speak with my music. I expect pastors to preach with their own talent. I expect footballers to play, and when they are given opportunity to talk, they speak about it. Everybody have to come together and speak. We don't just have to fold our hands and watch. You know, it's equal rights. That's what I believe in. You understand? So me, I'm the voice of the voiceless. I'm here for the people.
Okay, let's not take much of your time. Let's go back to why we are here today.
Okay.
How do you rate this show?
Man, right now I can tell you, Ojo, this is the biggest show. Trust me, it's the biggest. I've been here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and I'm still here. I still coming. I still keep coming. As far as they keep calling, I will just be coming.
They love you and you love them.
I love them too much.
Message for your fans.
Keep your head straight. Positivity is what we strength for. Be positive. Kuya Kuya movement. Join the movement. We're going good.